So we're gonna be 2 again. I'm gonna solve it twice before you solve it once.
Yeah.
All right.
3, 2.
Wait, is your Scrabble?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you sure? Wait.
Wait, I have to give me a second now. I can't even find.
Did you plot it?
I was like, okay. 3,
2, baby talk.
2, 1. Fuck, what am I doing?
Swearing, getting grounded. Grounded.
No. No, it's FIFA. You are not on the list. No, how? How the hell?
That's 1.
How did you do that? I'm getting messed up on this.
Am I gonna get 3 this time?
No. Stop. Stop it. You are not. Fuck, I messed up again. We have to do this again.
I'm already doing it again.
No, stop.
I can't stop. I'm just still doing it.
We can record another video. I have to have to do it again. Ah! This isn't fair. It's like whenever I go against you, I mess up all the time.
Slow is smooth, smooth is fast. You gotta stay calm, you big loser.
I'm calm.
Calm when making off on mistakes.
Yeah, like Boston. Fuck, I messed up again.
So.
I can't do that. I just had to do this, and I'll still be at 2. It will forever remain at 2.
Wait, you gotta show it.
Oh.
But still 2, even with the screw ups. You think you can do faster?
I hope so.
All right.
Next minute.
All right, start new one.